Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through the process of checking your game statistics on Roblox. It is a simple and quick procedure, so let's begin. To start, open the Roblox app on your device. If you wish to examine the analytics of a game you have created, follow these steps. Tap on the More button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you find Create, then tap on it. You will see a list of your created experiences. Tap on the game you are interested in to view its analytics. Alternatively, you can tap on the three lines at the top left, then under your game title, tap Analytics. In the Analytics section, you will find valuable insights such as retention, check daily active users, new and returning users. Engagement, see average session time and other engagement metrics. Acquisition, understand how users are discovering your game. Audience, learn about your active users' demographics, including country, gender, age, and language. You can filter these analytics for different time periods, such as the last 30 days, 7 days, or 90 days. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot to me.